all, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing the essential foods that all your new mommies should eat after your delivery to get strength and wellness in the long run. As you all know that our bodies lose all the essential nutrients, calcium just after the delivery because we've given life to a human being. Also in the long run, if we do not eat the essential foods, our body will tend to get weak and will not be able to have that strength in the long run. Here are some essential foods that you can have just after your delivery to gain back that strength. The first essential food is Desi ghee. Yes, ladies, Desi ghee gives your bones the strength back. It gives you stamina as you have to take care of yourself as well as the new baby that has just born. So you can use Desi ghee in your dals, in your chapatis, and also do not forget to eat the Desi ghee laddus that your mommies are going to give you, because it's very important to have these essential nutrients that will give you strength in the long run. The second essential food is milk. So do not forget to have your milk at least 2 to 3 months after your delivery, and you can use like turmeric or kesar and put seeds like pumpkin, flax seeds in your milk. It will just give you the strength that you need and will make you glow also. Almonds are the third essential foods that you should have on a regular basis just after your delivery. At least have 5 almonds on a regular basis to have that strength back. The fourth essential food that I would recommend is carom seeds, that is ajwain. So do not forget to have ajwain water after your delivery. So I would suggest please do not go for normal water, and especially no cold water, because you have to breastfeed your child. So basically what ajwain water will do is that it will not cause bloating. So I remember I had ajwain water for around 40 days after my delivery. I know that it does not taste good, but I did not think of these things because I just took good care of my body. It was really essential because I had to take care of a child. So at least have ajwain water for 40 days and do not have normal water, no cold water, because ajwain water will help you to stay away from bloating. So definitely go for ajwain water. As well, eat carom seeds in vegetables in your dal, and you can also eat ajwain ka paratha. That is really healthy and will give you strength in the long run. The next essential food is cumin seeds, that is jeera. So jeera is very important to increase your breast milk. So you can have it in any form, like eat it in your vegetables, eat it in your dal, but definitely go for cumin seeds as it will increase your breast milk. Do not forget to eat your green vegetables, your chapatis, your pulses. Very important nutrients are Indian nutrients that we need to have on a regular basis. The next important essential food is eggs. So I used to have like 2 boiled eggs on a regular basis in the evening when you're hungry and we go for junk and unnecessary food. Go for at least a boiled egg or any sort of healthy option that will give you strength and you can take care of your body as well. Also, you must have heard that our mother-in-laws and mothers, they gave us saut ka laddu and poppy seed laddu. Don't forget to eat these essential seeds and laddus, because these are only going to give you your real strength. The amount of blood that we lose, the amount of calcium that we lose, the amount of strength that we lose from our body, these are real essential superfoods that you should have after your delivery, at least for 40 days. So do not forget to eat the saut laddu. The poppy seeds is another form of essential superfood that you should have after your delivery. Poppy seeds, you can use it in your halwa. Also for breakfast, go for dalia in milk. You can put almonds or honey. It's a great way of starting your day. It will increase your breast milk and also will help you gain that strength that you need in the long run. Also eat dalia, you will be able to lose that weight in the long run because you're not eating any kind of unnecessary breakfast. You're eating a very healthy bowl of breakfast, that is dalia. It is made of wheat and you're using milk and almonds and honey. Do not put sugar in it, and definitely a thumbs up for this breakfast. Also, this diet is important only for the first 2 months of your delivery because you need to get your self-strength back. Do not diet after the first 6 months of your delivery because that is the time that you are gaining the strength back. You've given life to a human being. So you need to pull out the strength back in you. At least I was told that I can't diet for 6 months, and I'm thankful that I followed the diet. I had all kind of homemade food which was given to me. I didn't diet, I didn't had any kind of junk, but then I ensure that I'm eating my right amount of food that is being home cooked and served to me on a regular basis. So ladies, these healthy foods will help you to lose that weight because you're eating normal clean food for 6 months. So when you try to diet after 6 months, you'll be able to lose that weight naturally. You don't have to work on unnecessary junks that you have eaten. You've just eaten the homemade food, so you'll be able to lose the weight when you try to diet and you try to work out. So I hope you lovely mommies will find this video informative. And in case if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And in case if you want to see similar topics like these, please leave in the comment section so that I can bring some amazing videos and content for you. Please follow me on Instagram. I'll be sharing the link below. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Take care and bye-bye.